Camera Raw version 13.2 added a fantastic new feature. It allows you to quadruple the size, that's double the resolution, of an image using artificial intelligence. It does a tremendous job, and it's easy to use. I'll show you how. I've downloaded many family images from Facebook. You can see some of them here in Adobe Bridge. For the most part, they are very low resolution photos. I'm going to open this one in Camera Raw. To access this new feature, right mouse button, click on the image, and choose Enhance. A dialog will appear. You can see the enhanced version in the dialog image. You can click and hold down your mouse button to see the before. Let go of the mouse button to see the new enhanced version. It's pretty amazing. To quadruple the size of your image, just make sure the super resolution is checked, then click Enhance. Open up the film strip view, and you'll see the new enhanced version. It has been saved as a Camera Raw file, .dng. You can then open and work on the enhanced version in Photoshop. I'm going to jump back over to Adobe Bridge, and show you the new, enhanced Camera Raw file there. Here's the old JPG file. And here is the new DNG file. This is an awesome tool to use whenever you need to increase the resolution of an image.